Hi guys, this is our West Boulevard project. I think we've just done the pre-app.
Yeah, pre-app's been done.
So we've got an architect Arham in the garden, measuring up for plans and discussing what our options are with our contractor Michael. Word is here as well, seeing what we can do, what our options are, discussing discussing what our options are and seeing what the best way to go about it is. So let's walk you around.
Let's have a walk through.
Okay. Unfortunately somebody's dropped off the sofa here, which is really nice of them. One of the things that one of the issues we encountered when trying to get this patient showed was actually that possible sign of subsidence. Obviously the walls come down, which indicates that there might be something going on in the ground. So we're going to have to talk to the neighbour to ask if it would be okay for us ask them to remove it first, and then if not, ask to see if we can remove it. Hopefully we can come to a good solution between all parties. Let's just walk in.
Let's have a walk.
Let's walk around first, right?
Yeah. Should we go?
Upstairs
Yeah,
first?
let's start upstairs.
So upstairs was marketed as 3 bedrooms, 2 doubles, and the standard 2 doubles and a box room. But what we're going to do up here is knock this box room through and turn it into an ensuite for the room next door.
Yep.
And then for the other room, so for the other bathroom, knock the wall through as well, just to shrink it a bit, and then make that into an ensuite for the room next door to it. So we'll have 2 large ensuites upstairs.
Yep.
We're trying to play around with the layout so that the tenants have as much space as possible. So we're not cramming too many people in, and we're trying. This will be. I'll show you the rest later. But we've got an extension, and we will have hopefully an extension downstairs in the garden, and one on the ground floor, and this one up here. And we're trying to have 2 rooms, top floor, 2 rooms on the ground floor, and maybe 2 rooms or 1 room in the garden.
Yeah. The garden room is going to be really big, so that's the reason why we've got the architect here now, is to just sort of toy around with a couple of ideas.
Yeah, it's working out room sizes, rent rates, what's going to be a good space, what's going to be attractive to tenants, and then also the logistics of it as well. Planning for the waste and water and things like that. So this is going to be one of the other bedrooms. The room next door is going to be it's the original bathroom. So again, we'll knock this through because I think that room's too big.
Yeah.
As it stands.
We pinch a little bit of space from the bathroom for this room here, and then turn this area into an ensuite. So, give you a quick look.
Yeah. So I think what will be, I guess it would shrunk to here, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And then would we?
Yeah, about that.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, we shrunk to here. We'll keep the window in, which isn't double glazed. Right? I think where you're staying now, Ash, that's going to be the main. That's going to be the new new door to this bedroom.
So plenty of space up here, really.
Yeah. 2 people up here should be more than enough to be able to do like a quick scan.
Yeah.
Is it 15 meters squared? Plus ensuite or?
No, I think it's going to be about 15. It's going to end up about 12 meters squared. In addition to the ensuites.
In addition to the ensuite. Okay. Storage. That's Arham, that's our architect.
Give us a wave.
Hi, yeah.
Cheers, Arham.
Thanks, mate. So one of the challenges we've had with this property is this space. This is going to the kitchen, and it's going to be quite narrow. I think we measured this at 1.7.
Yeah.
From wall to wall. With the extension going out 6 meters, I think we'll get to know it's going to be about 14 meters squared, but it'll be a very narrow 14 meters squared. And off this, right now, we're going to have 3 bedrooms plus a really big bedroom downstairs. Now we're discussing the option of instead having 2 bedrooms up here.
Yeah.
2 large bedrooms up here.
Yeah.
And then 1 large bedroom downstairs, and decreasing the total number of rooms to 5 bedrooms rather than 6.
Yeah.
But because the rooms are going to be much bigger as a result, the rent should be a lot higher, and we should be able to justify the rent. So the gross rent should be the same, but we'll be future-proofing the product. Because people, generally speaking, they prefer bigger rooms, especially bigger en-suites anyway. So
we're currently standing in what is sort of a small extension from this wall here. So when Tu talks about sort of going out 6 meters, we're talking about going out 6 meters from here. And then you can see the bedrooms, or where we're looking to put the bedrooms.
Well, it'll be 3 bed. Now the challenge with this has been, this is quite a narrow space. So bedroom 1, I think it's going to end about there.
Yep.
The doorway through there, and this will be bedroom 2. And we're going to have to put a skyline in, which we're not that keen on.
Yeah.
So that's sort of one of the decisions we'd have to make. We can have another bedroom here, so that's 3 bedrooms in total. But the middle room would have a skyline, which will make it quite dark, and it would be, I think, about 11 meters squared, I believe. It's okay. It's not going to be the best room in the world, but it doesn't mean we'll get 6. And then the third bedroom up here will be
part of the new extension.
Yeah, will be going out all the way up to this marker here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, exactly that.
Yeah.
And then
the skyline will be kind of up there.
Yeah. So skyline for bedroom 2 will be sort of in there. Then you have natural light for this bedroom here, and then the kitchen will also sort of come out to this space here, which would make it a pretty long, definitely a long kitchen.
Well, it's 14 meters square, and that's okay. My only concern with that plan is that then we've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms coming off the kitchen, and I generally don't like bedrooms coming off the kitchen because of the noise and potential smell. So there'll be a lot of traffic, which is one of the, and also cramming in that middle bedroom with a skyline. So that's why we're kind of swinging more towards just having 2 bedrooms there. So we've only got 1 bedroom coming off the kitchen, which is
for safety as well.
Yeah.
If anything was to ever happen, that middle bedroom, we don't want it to feel sort of landlocked, do we?
Yeah. And also then we can have bigger bedrooms up here. So I think that's sort of what we're swinging towards, just because then we can provide a better product. It'll feel more like a home. So the kitchen will come out here, big windows there. Bedroom 3 really will come out here. So
this is an interesting part now that Tu's going to show you. This is the really interesting part.
So I think the roof is going to come out here. Is it decking? Yeah. Oh, my fault.
Yeah. So the extension will sort of come out to this wall here, and then
is it decking?
Yeah, some decking, sort of this level, and then the plan is to have
stairs.
Stairs coming out where 2 is.
Covered in glass.
Yeah, so sort of some. Yeah, we're going to potentially cover it in glass. Not fully covered in glass, but we want it to be light and airy.
Yeah, it has to be comfortable and warm, so you can walk through in your t-shirt and slippers.
Yeah.
But we didn't want to take space away from the kitchen.
Exactly.
So it's going to be an external staircase, but completely covered.
Yep.
And then you come down. Deck will come out here and act as sort of a cover for the room downstairs. The room, this will be dug all the way down.
Yep.
The room down here, I think it's going to be about 28 meters square.
Yeah, it's going to be huge.
It's going to be huge. Yeah. So this room is going to be a room for a couple. So that's what we were thinking, having a 5-bedroom property with the 5th room, this room down here, where you can accept couples because it's going to be 28 meters squared.
Yeah.
and that way we can also fit in 5 en-suites.
Yeah.
Whereas with 6 en-suite, there would have been potential plumbing issues, I believe.
Yeah, pumping issues. So the architects mentioned and the builders mentioned that we may have issues with the sewerage because the bedroom's going to be sort of lower than ground level. It's going to need to be pumped up, which is definitely something we can do, but we don't want to put too much load, on whatever system that we use.
Yeah. Also, then we don't need to worry too much about the plumbing and stuff upstairs for 6 rooms rather than 5.
Yeah.
So the downstairs bedroom is going to be, we're going to dig down all the way down here. As I said, the cover's going to come out. So decking up there is going to come out here and act as a cover for the bedroom down here.
Yeah.
Stairs is going to come around here with glass cover, and then all this will be glass.
Yeah.
Or a lot of it will be glass.
Yeah.
So that the room downstairs will be pretty much a sort of a flat, really, with the view, or with a glass view, and a bit of decking down here facing. That's actually a park down there facing Harborne. So they'll basically see this. They've got access to this.
Yeah.
And they'll face Park and Harborne over there. I mean that's the plan so far. We're just trying to work out what to do in terms of layout.
Yeah.
I think we're going to put. So we did a pre-app. Feedback seems to be pretty positive. So we decided to then go ahead, now to go ahead and put in the full application. And I understand that should take 8 weeks or 8 weeks, 2 months. Hopefully we can get all that done and the construction done, and then get it tenanted by June. So 2 months, we're in now December. Yeah, that should be fine.
Yeah, we get it done.
Yeah.
This is a challenge. But we're looking forward to this one. This one looks really good just because like that area there and getting a bedroom there.
Oh, that one.
We're really looking forward to getting that done.
Yeah, I mean, one of the things when we were sourcing this property, what I spotted is one of the other properties on this road had a double frontage, and somebody obviously spent quite a lot of money on it. And it's a residential property as well, so that indicates to me that people are investing in this area. Now, it's just on the outskirts of Harborne. In fact, I think Harborne's right there, like literally on that road. And that's where you pick up bargains, really. Hagley Road's over there. University and hospital is just down there. So, and it's a nice quiet area. Streets are clean, which is always good. I think we just got to get a head around room sizes and room layout more than anything. I think we'll swing towards the bigger rooms,
Big
like
room.
5.
Yeah.
But just got to stack the figures to see, if it makes sense to do 5 large rooms or 6 decent sized rooms. With all the sort of the extra work and headaches involved as well. Well, I think that's it really. We've got, so I guess with application, we'll submit the application for this, that'll take 2 months. During that time, then we will, I think, crack on with Rodney, Peugeot, Banners? Do we have another one?
Banners is done. I feel like there's one more.
Oh, there's one in Coventry Road, which is they've got to wait for the gentleman to find. We've got to chase him up like that. Okay, hopefully that's been useful, and we probably won't do another video here until planning's done, I guess.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Sorted?
Alright, so alright, so see you guys in the next one.
Catch
Bye.
you later. I'm freezing.